Today we had a bunch of runners and walkers all come to this greenway, and we got to experience PermaTrak's new addition to Charlotte, which was an awesome boardwalk. We just had a lot of fun running together, and then we got to end with some relaxing restorative yoga. We have a coaching company, and we train a bunch of different triathletes and runners and just lifestyle athletes. We meet once a week and have a fun run session, different type of workout. One of my favorite things about running in a group is that you can just meet some really cool people. You can also push each other, and when you're working hard, it's a little more fun when you can do it with other people. Campbell Creek is an excellent spot to run in Charlotte for many reasons. One of the first reasons that pops in my head is it's shaded with a lot of trees, so it's a little cooler in the hot summer. Another reason is there's lots of different trails and you can go for many miles, and I like all the different boardwalks, and they're very safe and secure, and it just makes running really fun.